Hey boys and girls, how's it going? All right, today's IXL, very important. You're going to need your calculator and you're going to need this reference sheet, okay? Remember, circumference is pi times diameter, or if you have a radius, it's going to be circumference equals 2 times pi times radius. And then if you're looking for area, area will be pi times radius squared, okay? We'll go over that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to read the problem, and if you don't feel like reading it, you can always listen to it. But a circular bird bath has a diameter of 2 feet. What is the bird bath's radius? So now, remember, diameter, sometimes you're going to get these tricky questions. Diameter goes all the way across. So if the diameter is 2, I only want to know its radius. So the radius is only halfway. So you would take 2, and you would divide it in half, which means to divide by 2. And the radius would be 1, okay? So you're going to get questions like that. It's going to be a good review of everything you've been doing. Now this one says, a Sandy is about to cut out snickerdoodle cookies with a circular cutter. Okay, I guess that was somebody's name. The cutter's packaging says it has a circumference of 18 and 8400 centimeters. What is the cutter's radius? Okay, so now these are a little tough, but I'm glad we're seeing these problems right away. Okay, so now what we need to do is, it says circumference, so I'm going to set up a problem that matches circumference and that has a radius in it. So if I go back to my reference here, that would be this right here. Circumference equals 2 pi radius. Okay, so right away, I'm going to write down the circumference, which is 18.84, and I'm going to write down 2 times 3.14, and I'm just going to put R right here. Okay, so right away I can do this. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28, and then that's with the R. And then the final thing I'm going to do is I have to do the opposite of the multiplication. Okay, so I got to divide both sides by 6 and 28 hundredths. All right, and once I do that, I will find my answer. And just by looking at this, you can tell that my answer is going to be 3. Okay, but you can check it on your calculator. But Mr. P's been doing this a long time. Okay, so this is going to be 3 centimeters is my radius. All right. Okay. Now, here's another type of question that they're going to throw at you. This one's easier. The previous one I did is probably the hardest that you're going to see. Okay. So now, sorry, they don't have a clear button, so I got to erase this whole thing. But our next one says, when Jeanette won a contest, she got a silver medal with a radius of 3 centimeters. What is the medal circumference? So now I want to know the circumference. So it's a radius, so I got to use 2 pi, excuse me, 2 pi r. Okay, that's going to give me the circumference. So I'm going to do 2 times pi, so 2 times 3.14, and I'm going to times that by 3. Don't mind the handwriting thing here. Okay, so I can type that in my calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 3. There's my answer right there, 18 and 84 hundredths. Okay, I think we hit just about everything. I'm going to ramp it up a level in a second here. Let me jump a level here. See, I don't think it really gets too much harder. I just think it's the same type of questions. Here's a good one. So the saucer for Brittany's teacup has a radius of 2 inches. What is the saucer's area? Okay. So now with area, we're going to do pi times radius squared. Okay. All right, boys and girls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this now because I only have about 30 seconds left. I have a 5-minute time limit on these videos, and I'm going to come back and do this. Okay.